Namaste friends. Today we shall see how we can make a powerful Panch Maha Probiotic. It is made out of the potent 5 ingredients which are basil, aloe vera, honey, lemon peels and water. The ingredients used here have neuroprotective effect. They increase our immunity. They have healing properties. They detoxify the toxins present in our body, and also they can fight against free radical damage and hence helpful to even fight against cancer. They have high antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, antimicrobial properties, and many other vitamins, minerals, and enzymes as well. Just take a sterilized glass bottle and then add all the ingredients one after another. Here I am adding a cup size of basil leaves, 100 grams of aloe vera gel. Then I have added 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 liter of water, and finally lemon peels of 1 lemon. Stir them all once and close the lid. Allow it to ferment for 2 weeks. In 2 days we can find the microbial activity beginning in the culture. By 2 weeks the leaves turn pale in color. All the medicinal properties from the leaves would have entered into the culture medium. At this point we can filter and collect all the liquid portion. Now we are going to close this collected liquid using a cotton cloth and a rubber band. We ferment this collected liquid for another month, and that would transform this into a wonderful vinegar. A thin transparent film is found on the surface of the liquid, which is not at all of any concern to us. It just shows that it is well stabilized and ready to use. We can test the acidity using the pH strips we have. pH of the product is between 2 to 3, which is perfect for a good vinegar. So here I am filtering this Panch Maha Probiotic again and discarding the lower portion, which will have some unwanted sediments, and we can store this final product in a glass bottle which has a narrow neck. And here is our Panch Maha Probiotic ready. As we store the probiotic, we again find the thin film forming on the top. Just filter it using a cloth and use it. The shelf life of the product is more than a month. We can consume 15 to 20 ml of this product 15 minutes before having breakfast or lunch. If you have severe ulcers and not able to tolerate the acidity, please dilute it with equal amount of water and consume. Can also add a teaspoon of honey to it and it tastes just amazing. And this combination of basil, lemon, honey gives such a refreshing and energizing effect on us. Let us all make this wonderful vinegar, which is made using so easily available ingredients and having such a great benefits. Thank you.